The lowest rated categories that we observed were responsiveness of hospital staff, pain management, and care transition. Ways to improve the low scores for responsiveness of staff are to implement training. Training gives tips and tactics for better communicating with customers. Through thorough pain assessment and consequent reassessment, customer satisfaction will increase if the customer feels as if their caregiver is genuinely concerned with alleviating their pain. In order to improve care transition, a method that we suggest would be to use the care transitions measures. This tactic addresses 4 issues that customers find unsatisfactory in transition care, including information regarding the transfer, preparation with the caregiver, self-management, and the empowerment to assert their preference. Acknowledging these measures allows the customer to feel as if they are a part of their transition process. In conclusion, customer satisfaction is a priority for our organization. By distributing the HCAP survey, we've gotten a great deal of insight into which areas are working smoothly, as well as which areas need improvement. By implementing our suggestions, we believe the organization will benefit and customer satisfaction will increase. Here's a list of our references, and thank you very much.